Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We're going to show you a Wireshark tutorial. First of all, what is a Wireshark? Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer. It is used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software and communications protocol development and education. So basically, it's allow you to look at all the traffic that passing through the network interface on your computer. And in this tutorial, we're going to show you guys on 4 different environments, such as on IPv6, File Transfer Protocol FTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol HTTP, and file sharing.
Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will be talking about packet analysis on HTTP. Before I actually begin recording this tutorial, I have made a request towards a random website that I run. The website I apparently configured was pricelines.com. So you can type priceline.com in the search bar. Just type priceline.com and click enter and open your Wireshark, and you can see here in this list there are a lot of HTTP requests, and as you can see I have specified my filter to be HTTP as those are the sort of packets that I would like to analyze today and to show you what sort of useful information can you extract from them. So I just have specified my filter on to be HTTP, and since I'm going to look for HTTP, I'm going to search for HTTP protocol and here. So just double click on it and go to Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and you can see the method that they use is get method, and the request URI is backslash because they use in Windows. So the host is www.priceline.com, and the user agent that I used to browse it is Chrome 58.0, and it says that I'm running on Safari 537. So the web server to which I made the request knows that I am running on Chrome, that it is my browser. It knows the version of my browser, knows my operating system, and it knows my processor architecture. And down below you can see the accept language. In US, there is a language that I use is the same as the one that is configured in my browser, so the default language of my browser will also be set. This is one of the ways in which website can determine which should they display to you as a user by default. That's all from HTTP. Thank you. Hi everyone, I am Umi. So now we are going to study on FTP. FTP actually stands for File Transfer Protocol. It is mostly used to download files from the internet, such as free programs and the update of the programs. It is very efficient for downloading a large size file. So FTP is an application layer protocol. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to capture the traffic and show you how it works. It's actually quite similar to HTTP, so we don't have to spend a ton of time on it. Most of the similarity are the same, and I just want to illustrate a few things such as the port number involved with FTP, but the way the TCP layer works with the transport layer with the sequence and acknowledgement numbers are all the same with HTTP. As you recall, the sequence of acknowledgement number after the handshake. So first of all, there is a handshake with FTP because it is a connection oriented that will work exactly the same way as we saw when we went to the website. So I'm now already opened my Wireshark. So what I'm going to tell you is that this thing will be quite interesting because we need to enter our username and password, and we can see how insecure actually the FTP protocol is because the password is sent by default through clear text and there is no encryption of the data. So we will be able to find the username and password in the capture session. So first we go to the capture with an option because we want to use Wi-Fi, and then just click over here FTP, since that is what we are using. FTP. Oh, I thought I would click. Why can't I start? Maybe I should not put it over here. Sorry. Okay, now we are over here already. So I go to my command link to do my FTP. So just like FTP, FTP, oops, sorry, FTP dot. So I'm going to enter McAfee because there's always an update for McAfee, you know. McAfee.com. Now I'm connected to it. So now they are asking for my username. I'm gonna use anonymous. Anonymous. I don't want people to know me. And I just put, okay, my password. I love blue, so why not just go with the blue? Warning. So now we already enter the. It seemed like we already entered it, but okay, it doesn't look good like that. Okay, just. Okay, now I'm gonna type dir to get the directory list. So just dir. So you can see all the directory lists, and I'm gonna download usage.txt. But before that, I need to put an ASCII. I need to type ASCII for because I want to have it as a text base ASCII. So you set type set to A. But if you want to use it as an exe file, you just need to type binary. So as I said before, I'm going to use ASCII, so just going back and just show you guys, you know. ASCII. And then I'm gonna download that. So in order to show you guys how it is, I'm gonna type hash because hash actually allowed me to show the download progress. So hash, and then we go to here and then get the file that I want, which is usage.txt. Okay, so the state transfer is complete over there, and I just type create. So I'm gonna off with this. Goodbye, I'm off with you, and we go to the capture over here. Since it's done, let me say stop. So it already stopped. Stop. Sorry. So if you can see the amount of frame over here, it's actually 10 times more than HTTP. So we're not going through all these things. So we just go to the key point. So I'm just going to type over here FTP. No, just want FTP. So this is all the FTP, and you can see over here our username, which is anonymous, and a password blue. So this is what I mean by the default show every single thing that you type. We don't have any encryption for our password, so people will know our password. So as I said before, there is a handshake happen, and handshake is actually used for establishing a connection or a TCP/IP handshake. So actually FTP has two port numbers, so just gonna go through this. And okay, let's see what this here. So you see the port 21 here is actually a common connection. So in order to ask for something, we use port 21. So there is the others, which is port 20. When port 20 is actually used for data connection, where we're downloading the actual contents and contain part of the packet. So if you can see, okay, this is not the whole thing. Therefore, because I'm focused on FTP, so they don't show you the others. And there is actually 4 steps to end a disconnection in FTP. So it started from the quick and then it will goes until goodbye. And so the FTP is usually used for large data transfer. So if you are troubleshooting on FTP connection, make sure you are resolving your DNS, that it's getting the IP result and you are actually establishing a connection. If you can't, it means that the server is unavailable or there is something wrong with the server. So there is nothing wrong with your PC, just the server, with the server itself. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. I'm Farhana. Today I'm gonna do a tutorial how to do file sharing using Wireshark. Now I'm using Wi-Fi, so I click on Wi-Fi and start. Okay, now go to Google. Now search any file that you want. For example, I want image file of penguin. Penguin. Click image. So I'm gonna choose this image, click on it. Okay, there is the image that I choose earlier. So what you can see in this website address, you can see this is the name of this image, JPG format. Now we go to Wireshark back and filter the capture, file capture using HTTP. You can see many of files that have been captured. So from this, we must search for our website. What you can see here, Adelaide Penguin. Okay, so now we're gonna stop the running live capture. Click on File, roll down, and export object, and click on HTTP. Okay. Now from this object list, we must find the website that I visited earlier. Okay, there it is. kidsnationalgeographic.com. Yes, kidsnationalgeographic.com. So find the image of penguin. Where is, we must find the image file from this website. So the type is text HTML. No, the image, but it is image of scientist costume panda. The image that we want is what is elderly penguin jumping ocean. You see elderly penguin jumping ocean JPG. So search until find. Okay, there it is. Elderly penguin jumping ocean. So click on this and click save as. So I'm gonna download it in desktop. Save. Okay. So go to desktop. And there it is. Adelaide penguin jumping ocean JPG. Okay, that's all for file sharing using Wireshark. Okay, bye bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Syahirah. So today I'm going to show you on IPv6 environment. So first of all, we need to open the command prompt and then type in ipconfig. Okay, this is all the IP configurations. Next, open the Wireshark. And this is all the packet data that we have. So we're going to find IPv6 because there's a lot of protocol over here. We need to type in IPv6 and enter. Find IPv6 and click it. Okay, as we can see here, we have frame Ethernet, Internet Protocol version 4, which is IPv4, user datagram protocol source port, and Internet Protocol version 6, that is IPv6. So on frames, we can see that we have frame number, frame length, capture length, and for the Ethernet, we can see that the destination, the source, and the type of it, and IPv4, IPv6, and we can see here they are using binary number, and we have source port, source server, source client, and that's all for IPv6. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.